Alright, now things may start to get a little more tricky. We've got more variables at play, more pieces of how a real loan would actually work. You may well need to stop and pause and try it out in Google Sheets and then come back. But let's give it a shot. So here's my data for 36 months without paying any payments on my loan. But of course, on a real loan, it's both accruing interest and getting paid off at the same time. Now that would be a pretty tough thing to calculate. That's why we have Google Sheets and a spreadsheet. So let's think about the columns I'm going to need. I've got a column for the loan total without payments. Now I'm going to make a column for a loan total with payments. And I'm going to say, okay, now how much are the payments? That's going to be a column. And because it's part of your project assignment, I'm going to make a column for total amount paid. Now, just in this example, I'm going to say that, for example, I might pay $200 every month. That's about what I paid on my car payment, which actually was close to $10,000. At 0 months, I still have $10,000, regardless of whether I'm paying or not paying. And after I pay my $200, my total amount is paid is going to be $200. Okay. Now let's see what happens after the first month. Well, let's see. In this column, I want to get my new total. Well, my new total is this, my old total. So I'm going to go in here and write a formula. So I'm going to use equals to change the formula. And I'm going to say this column will equal, this cell will equal C2 plus the interest. So times 1.05 1 plus 0.05 over 12. Minus the payment that I paid on the loan. And I forgot to include cents here. Oh, now it's not going to let me. That's okay. So we can see that I would still have to pay really $41.67. But I took away $200. And so now I only owe $9,842. Let's look at the formula I wrote. I took the last total amount from cell C2